Ketones are organic compound that contains a carbonyl group, which consists of a carbon atom double bonded to an oxygen atom. In ketones, the carbonyl carbon is bonded to two other carbon atoms, giving the general formula RCOR. Ketones play an important role in organic chemistry and many industrial processes. One of the most common examples is acetone, which is widely used as a solvent in products such as nail polish remover.
So now I will be presenting about properties and preparation. So for the physical properties of ketones, ketones are usually colorless liquid with a characteristic sweet smell. One of their most important properties is that they are polar because of carbonyl group, where oxygen attracts electron more strongly than carbon. This property gives ketones dipole-dipole intermolecular force. Small ketones such as acetone dissolve easily in water because the oxygen atom can form hydrogen bond with water molecules. However, as the carbon chain became longer, their water solubility decreased. Ketone also have higher boiling points than alkene because of their polarity, but lower boiling point than alcohol since they cannot form hydrogen bond with each other. This property can make ketones excellent solvents that are widely used in laboratory and industry. So next, I will talk about preparation of ketone. One of the most common way to prepare ketones is through the oxidation of secondary alcohol. Oxidation is a chemical reaction in which a molecule lost hydrogen atom or gain oxygen. In this process, the hydroxyl group or negative OH group in a secondary alcohol is converted into carbonyl group, which contain a carbon-oxygen double bond. This transformation changed the alcohol into a ketone. For example, when true propanol is oxidized using oxidizing agents such as potassium dichromate or potassium permanganate, it forms acetone. Acetone is the simplest and one of the most widely used ketone in laboratory and industry. This method is commonly used because it is efficient, produce a good yield of ketone, and is easy to carry out in both laboratory experiment and industrial production.
Now, let's look at the uses of ketones in our daily lives and in different industries. First, ketones are widely used as solvents. Acetone and methyl ethyl ketone or MEK can dissolve oils, fats, plastic, and paint. They also evaporate quickly without leaving any residue, making them ideal for products such as cleaning agents, nail polish removers, and paint thinners. Next, in the pharmaceutical industry, ketones are important because they are found in some hormones and steroids. They are also used as starting materials in the production of medicines and help chemists build complex drug structures. Ketones are also used in food and flavoring. For example, natural raspberry ketone gives berries their sweet and fruity aroma. Ketones are added to candies, soft drinks, baked goods, dairy products, and flavor extract to improve their taste and aroma. Another important application is in the perfume industry. Ketones act as fixatives which slow down the evaporation of fragrance ingredients. This helps perfume last longer on skin. To conclude, ketones are important organic compounds that contain a carbonyl group attached to two carbon atoms. They are commonly produced by the oxidation of secondary alcohols and have physical properties that make them useful in many applications. Ketones are widely used as solvents in pharmaceutical manufacturing, food flavorings, perfumes, and the production of plastic and other chemicals. However, they must be handled carefully because many ketones are flammable and prolonged inhalation should be avoided. Overall, ketones play an essential role in both our daily lives and many industrial processes. Thank you.